He grabs your front leg. Oh, crap. What's on my leg?
A dog.
What part of the dog? Nutsack?
He doesn't have those anymore, honey.
You still got a sack.
He doesn't have anything in him.
I know.
And they're like not there anyway, so.
Where were
Golly, she's
where
just
were she and Haley going?
thrift store shopping?
Thrift store?
Thrift store.
Thrift store?
Yes.
Shopping?
Give Dad the stink eye. Boy, that dog can.
Yes, he can elevate. Java's dishing it out as just as bad as he is. He's like, if I was on her neck, I'd have a better vantage point to bite her ass. As soon as she forces him under, he starts biting underneath. What was that, you two?
Oh God, that's so funny.
Did you bite him on the nose, Java? Stink eye. Java's got the teeth out.
Oh, he needs to take a little break. Daddy, she's being mean.
Oh.
Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah. I wasn't ready for a kiss.
Bean, was that fun? Milo.
Another clean air.